When people think of protein, the first thing that comes to mind is usually meat, eggs, or dairy. But here's the truth: nature has given us an incredible variety of plant-based grains and seeds that are just as powerful in fueling our muscles, supporting energy, and keeping us full for longer. For vegetarians and vegans, protein is often a big concern. Am I getting enough? The good news is, yes, you absolutely can. And today we're going to uncover the top 8 protein-rich grains and seeds that should be in your kitchen right now. These aren't just ordinary foods. They are nutrient-dense, versatile, and packed with more than just protein. We're talking about fiber that keeps your digestion smooth, iron that boosts your energy, antioxidants that protect your body, and essential amino acids that your muscles crave. Some of these grains are so powerful that even athletes are making the switch to plant-based diets without losing performance. And the best part? You don't have to be a chef or spend hours in the kitchen. Most of these grains can be cooked easily, blended into smoothies, sprinkled over salads, or even baked into snacks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which grains to choose, how much protein they give you, and how to use them in your daily meals. So, whether you're a committed vegan, a vegetarian, or simply someone looking to cut down on meat and try healthier alternatives, stay tuned. These 8 protein-packed grains may just change the way you look at your plate. Let's dive in with the first superstar on our list, quinoa. Number 1, quinoa. Quinoa is often called the mother of all grains, and for a good reason. Though technically a seed, quinoa is prepared and eaten like a grain. What makes quinoa so unique is that it's one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own, something usually only found in animal products. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein, along with high levels of fiber, magnesium, manganese, and folate. It's also naturally gluten-free, making it perfect for people with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Quinoa is also a fantastic option for people trying to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Thanks to its low glycemic index and fiber content, it helps prevent sudden sugar spikes and keeps you full for hours. That's why nutritionists often recommend quinoa for weight management and long-lasting energy. The versatility of quinoa makes it a true kitchen hero. You can use it as a base for salads, add it to soups, or replace rice with it in your meals. It can even be turned into porridge for breakfast or used in baking to make protein-rich snacks. Fun fact: quinoa was considered sacred by the Incas, who believed it gave strength and endurance to their warriors. And they weren't wrong. Modern athletes still rely on quinoa as a natural fuel. If you're looking for an easy protein-rich swap in your diet, quinoa is the place to start. Next on the list is another tiny but powerful seed that packs a surprising punch: chia seeds. Number 2 seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're nutritional powerhouses. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide around 5 grams of protein, making them a fantastic addition to a plant-based diet. But their benefits don't stop at protein. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, which makes them excellent for heart health, digestion, and overall energy. What's fascinating about chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like texture. This unique property makes them perfect for creating chia puddings, smoothies, or even as an egg replacement in vegan baking. Just mix them with water and you've got a binding agent for recipes without needing eggs. Chia seeds also promote hydration and endurance, which is why they were historically consumed by the Aztec and Mayan warriors before long journeys or battles. In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds expand in your stomach and help you feel full longer, which is a big win if you're trying to control hunger and manage weight. They also provide calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium minerals essential for bone strength, something vegetarians sometimes struggle to maintain without dairy. You can sprinkle chia seeds over oatmeal, add them to baked goods, blend them into juices, or simply stir them into water for a quick energy drink. They are one of the easiest and most versatile superfoods to add to your daily routine. Tiny in size but mighty in benefits, chia seeds prove that big health often comes in small packages. Moving on, let's explore another protein-packed food that's a staple in vegetarian kitchens worldwide: lentils. Lentils have been a staple food for thousands of years, and it's easy to see why. They're affordable, filling, and most importantly, packed with protein. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein, which is nearly as much as some cuts of chicken. For vegetarians and vegans, lentils are truly a game changer. Beyond protein, lentils are also rich in iron, folate, potassium, and fiber. This combination not only boosts energy, but also supports heart health, digestion, and muscle recovery. For people who don't eat meat, lentils can help prevent common deficiencies like iron and folate. Another big advantage of lentils is their variety. You'll find green, red, yellow, and brown lentils, each with its own texture and cooking style. Red lentils cook quickly and are great for soups or curries, while green and brown lentils hold their shape better and work well in salads or stews. Because they're so filling and satisfying, lentils are excellent for weight management and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The high fiber content slows down digestion, which helps avoid sugar crashes and overeating. Lentils are also environmentally friendly. They require very little water to grow and enrich the soil by fixing nitrogen, making them one of the most sustainable protein sources on the planet. So, when you eat lentils, you're not only nourishing your body, but also supporting the environment. From hearty soups to Indian dals, Mediterranean salads, or veggie burgers, lentils can be transformed into countless delicious meals. They prove that eating plant-based doesn't mean sacrificing taste or nutrition. Number 4, chickpeas. Chickpeas are one of the most beloved legumes around the world, and for good reason. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains about 15 grams of protein, making them a fantastic option for anyone looking to boost their plant-based protein intake. But chickpeas are more than just protein. They're also loaded with fiber, iron, phosphorus, folate, and manganese. This combination helps support muscle function, boost energy, and promote healthy digestion. Chickpeas are also low on the glycemic index, which means they keep your blood sugar steady and help prevent crashes. One of the best things about chickpeas is their versatility. You can roast them for a crunchy snack, blend them into hummus, add them to salads, or use them in curries and stews. They can even be ground into chickpea flour, which is widely used in gluten-free baking. Chickpeas are also a favorite for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy body composition. Thanks to their protein and fiber, they keep you full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. This makes them a staple in many vegetarian weight loss diets. Fun fact: chickpeas have been eaten for thousands of years, with evidence of cultivation dating back to the Middle East around 7,500 years ago. Today, they're a staple in cuisines from India to the Mediterranean. So, whether you're eating a bowl of hummus with veggies or adding chickpeas to a warm stew, you're giving your body a powerful dose of plant-based protein. But chickpeas aren't the only soy-free option. Number 5, tofu. Tofu, often called bean curd, is made from soybeans and has been a cornerstone of Asian diets for centuries. It's incredibly rich in protein, with about 10 grams per half-cup serving, and it's considered a complete protein source, providing all 9 essential amino acids. What makes tofu so special is its versatility. It absorbs flavors like a sponge, which means you can cook it in countless ways, from stir-fries and soups to baking, grilling, or even blending it into smoothies. Its adaptability makes it a must-have for anyone exploring plant-based meals. Tofu is also packed with important nutrients, including calcium, iron, and magnesium, making it excellent for bone and muscle health. Plus, it's naturally cholesterol-free and low in calories, which makes it a heart-healthy option compared to many animal protein sources. One of tofu's biggest benefits is its role in weight management and satiety. The protein and isoflavones in soy may help reduce hunger and improve metabolism, making tofu a valuable ally for anyone trying to maintain a healthy weight. Despite some myths about soy, studies show that moderate consumption of tofu is safe and even beneficial. In fact, research suggests it may support heart health, reduce bad cholesterol, and even offer protective effects against certain types of cancer. From scrambled tofu that mimics eggs to crispy tofu cubes in salads or curries, there are endless delicious possibilities. Tofu proves that you don't need meat to enjoy rich, protein-packed meals. And if tofu isn't your favorite, another soy-based food might just win you over. Number 6. Edamame. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a tasty and nutritious protein source that's becoming increasingly popular around the world. Just 1 cup of cooked edamame contains about 17 grams of protein, making it one of the highest plant-based protein options available. What makes edamame especially valuable is its rich content of iron, calcium, folate, and vitamin K. These nutrients support healthy bones, improve blood circulation, and help with energy production. For vegetarians and vegans, edamame is an easy way to fill nutritional gaps that sometimes appear in plant-based diets. Edamame also contains isoflavones, plant compounds that may have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Studies suggest that regular consumption of soy-based foods like edamame can lower cholesterol, improve heart health, and support hormonal balance. The best part? Edamame is incredibly easy to prepare. You can steam or boil the pods and sprinkle them with a little salt for a quick snack. Or you can shell the beans and add them to salads, stir-fries, noodle dishes, or even blend them into dips. Thanks to its balance of protein and fiber, edamame is also very filling, helping to control appetite and support weight management. Athletes love it too, as it aids in muscle recovery and provides sustained energy. Edamame proves that healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring. With its delicious taste and impressive nutrient profile, it's a must-have for anyone looking to add more plant protein to their diet. Number 7. Oats. Oats are one of the most common breakfast staples, but did you know they're also a solid source of protein? 1 cup of cooked oats contains about 6 grams of protein, along with plenty of fiber, magnesium, zinc, and iron. While oats aren't a complete protein on their own, pairing them with other foods like nuts, seeds, or soy milk makes them a perfect high-protein meal. One of the biggest advantages of oats is their content of beta-glucan, a special type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and improve gut health. That's why oats are often recommended for people looking to reduce the risk of heart disease. Oats are also very filling, which makes them great for weight management. A bowl of oatmeal in the morning can keep you full for hours, reducing mid-morning snacking and giving you steady energy throughout the day. Beyond the classic oatmeal, oats can be used in so many creative ways: overnight oats, granola, oat pancakes, protein bars, and even savory dishes like oat risotto. Oat flour is also a popular gluten-free alternative in baking. For athletes and fitness lovers, oats provide a great combination of complex carbs and protein, making them ideal for pre- or post-workout meals. They give you the fuel you need while also helping your muscles recover. Simple, affordable, and incredibly nutritious, oats are proof that everyday foods can be superfoods too. Number 8. Buckwheat. Despite its name, buckwheat isn't related to wheat at all. It's actually a seed, and it's completely gluten-free. What makes buckwheat special is that it's a complete plant-based protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked buckwheat provides about 6 grams of protein, along with fiber, magnesium, and antioxidant. Buckwheat is particularly known for containing rutin, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health, improves blood circulation, and may reduce inflammation. It's also a good source of magnesium, which helps relax blood vessels and regulate blood pressure. For those managing blood sugar, buckwheat is an excellent choice. It has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases energy slowly and helps prevent spikes in blood sugar. This makes it suitable for people with diabetes or anyone looking for stable energy throughout the day. Buckwheat is also versatile in cooking. You can use buckwheat groats to make porridge, add them to salads, or cook them as a rice alternative. Buckwheat flour is widely used in pancakes, soba noodles, and gluten-free baking. Another big plus is sustainability. Buckwheat grows well in poor soils and doesn't require chemical fertilizers, making it environmentally friendly. So when you add buckwheat to your meals, you're not just benefiting your body, you're also making a choice that's kind to the planet. Nutritious, gluten-free, and full of high-quality protein, buckwheat is a grain that deserves a permanent spot in vegetarian and vegan diets. So there you have it, 8 incredible protein-rich grains and seeds that prove plant-based eating is anything but boring. From the ancient strength of quinoa to the tiny power of chia, the heartiness of lentils and chickpeas, the versatility of tofu and edamame, the everyday magic of oats, and the underrated powerhouse buckwheat, each of these foods brings something unique to the table. The key takeaway here is that you don't need meat to meet your protein needs. By incorporating these grains into your daily diet, you'll get not only protein, but also a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health. These foods keep you energized, support muscle recovery, improve digestion, and even protect your heart. The best part? They're affordable, widely available, and easy to prepare. You can start small, maybe replace rice with quinoa one day, add chia seeds to your smoothie, or enjoy a bowl of oatmeal with nuts in the morning. Small changes like these add up, and before long, you'll notice the difference in your energy, strength, and overall wellness. Remember, food isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your life. And with these protein-packed grains, you'll be fueling it with clean, sustainable, and nourishing energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Comment below which grain you're most excited to try and how you plan to use it in your meals. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep making choices that bring out the best in your body. Until next time.